The Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, get used to the cloud cover. We had it today. We're going to have it tomorrow and Sunday, but at least temperatures have been down a bit because we have this nearly stationary frontal boundary draped along the coast that is slowly going to migrate northward this weekend. So on the water vapor imagery in the upper level pattern, you can see we have a ridge of high pressure over here by Florida. Comes around and the flow is this way, and then we have the jet stream off to the north going in the same direction. So these clouds are not going to go anywhere. And oh, by the way, yeah, this is a hurricane down here. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up in just a bit. So plenty of clouds, but not much precip going on across the area. We thought rain chances would go down. Now the question is, how long will they stay down? Models have been fairly insistent that tomorrow should be not too wet of a day. In fact, I've lowered the rain chances down to 40%, and that may be a stretch as well. Sunday looks to be the better chance for showers and thunderstorms. So here's the big picture as we look at the radar satellite composite. We have plenty of convection offshore, some of that moving into the coastal parishes right along the immediate coastline. That's all we have going right now. Mainly some light precip moving into Cameron Parish, the coastal marsh area, and then just south of the Pecan Island area. We might see some of these sprinkles work their way further inland overnight tonight, but rain chances low, 20% or less for all of us through the overnight hours. So as we take a look at the satellite imagery, put things in motion over the last 18 hours, you can see some of that convection that was firing up earlier today offshore. Still got some activity in around just around the Houston, Galveston area where there's still some storms, but these are weakening right now. And then we open it on up into the big picture. Eastern Pacific has been busy with Hurricane Rosa earlier today, a Category 4 storm, 140-mile-per-hour winds, but now it's beginning to weaken. Was a Cat 3 at 6 o'clock, now down to a Cat 2, strong Cat 2 at that at 110. But you can just see this is an 18-hour satellite loop, and at the beginning of the loop, it almost looks like a Category 5 storm, and now at the end of the loop, still a mature hurricane, still quite powerful, will be dissipating with time, but it should deliver some moisture to the desert southwest of the U.S. Early next week. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic basin, subtropical storm Leslie down to 45-mile-per-hour winds. It's a subtropical storm because it doesn't have purely tropical characteristics. It's not deriving its energy from the heat of the ocean yet, but it will strengthen with time, eventually become purely a tropical system. And the latest Hurricane Center forecast brings this up to a hurricane, but it's going to be spinning out in the open Atlantic, so we won't track that one, at least for right now. And then we have the remnants of Kirk. Kirk has been up and down, and it's goodbye time for tropical system Kirk. Now it's just a remnant system, a weak area of low pressure. All the convection remains east of it thanks to the upper level southwesterly and westerly winds that are blowing all the convection away from the center of the storm. So this is not lasting. If you take a look at some of the tropical models, they push whatever swirl towards Central America. We're not concerned with this regenerating in the Gulf of Mexico, so good news there. So here's Futurecast. I held on to the older 21 Zulu model versus the 0Z model. That's just for my sake, but it looks relatively quiet through tomorrow morning. Oh, by the way, tomorrow morning, pet blessing over at the Holy Cross Catholic Church at 9 a.m. Looks good weather-wise. My wife told me to say that, so I'm saying it, and I'm going to come home and hopefully not be and get in trouble for that. As we go throughout the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms more likely over eastern Louisiana. I think we're going to see more green back to the west, so we're going to play it at 40-50% for tomorrow, but I've gone down to 40 from the 50% earlier. And then Sunday, look at this, a pretty good scattering of showers and thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon hours. That's why we're going 60% on Sunday. So count on the rain chances, especially for Sunday. Lower 70s tonight will favor lower 80s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, low to mid 70s, so not quite as comfortable, and back into the lower 80s for your Sunday afternoon. So mostly a quiet night across the board. A few coastal showers out there. That's about it. Areas of some light fog as well, but it shouldn't be too thick with the cloud cover overhead. 82 the high tomorrow. We'll go with the mild temperature regime. Scattered showers and storms, chance at 40%, 60% on Sunday. But as we go into next week, drier air comes in from the east-northeast, and that should bring our temperatures up into the upper 80s to near 90. And then rain chances down just a bit. Jim?
All right, Rob, thanks.